Hello everyone, welcome back to the manual testing interview questions and answer series. This is the part 19 video. Also, if you want to learn more manual interview questions, please watch the previous videos. And in future, if you want more automation related, API related interview questions and answer, please subscribe my YouTube channel. You will get the notification of videos. So let's start with today's video. As a part of this video, we are going to see few more scenario based interview questions. Below is the list of all the questions. So let's start with question number 164. Question is, how do you mentor junior testers? First, take basics, explain testing types, bug life cycle, test cases and reporting. Cover SDLC, STLC and risk-based testings. Second, hands-on practice. Start with a small test task, then increase complexity. Use peer testing and shadowing for real-world learning. Third, develop QA mindset. Encourage, encourage critical thinking, what if scenarios. Take exploratory and edge case analysis. Third, introduce tools, manual, Jira, dev tools, Postman, automation, basic, Seleniums and Cypress if applicable. Fifth, promote collaboration. Involve them in team meetings and agile ceremonies. Encourage discussions with developers and project managers. 6. Give feedback. Regular one-to-one connect for guidance. Constructive review on test cases, bug or report. 7th. Encourage independence. Assign ownership of a feature modules. Let them solve problems before stepping in. And last one, lead by example. Show professionalism, curiosity, and continuous learning. So in this way, we can guide the junior testers. Let's move for the another question. Next question is, how do you handle conflict with testing team? First, identify the root cause. Listen to both sides. Have private discussion to understand each person's perspective. Is it professional or personal? Work related, that is disagreement on a test approach, bug severity, automation strategy. Second, interpersonal, that is classes in communication styles, ego conflict. Second, facilitate open discussion, neutral mediation, bring conflicting parties together in claim setting. Focus on facts, not emotions. Use data, that is bug report, test result to depersonalize the issue. Encourage active listening. What I hear you saying is something. So, third, find common ground. Align on shared goals. Remind them that both want a high quality product. Compromise when possible. Example, if two testers disagree on test coverage, agree on a balanced approach. Fourth, set clear expectation. Define roles and responsibility. Avoid overlaps that cause friction. Establish team norms, how to escalate disagreement, code of conduct for personal behavior. Fifth, escalate if necessary. If unresolved, involve HR or higher manager, but only after trying mediation. Sixth, prevent future conflict. Regular retrospective, discuss them. Dynamics in agile retrospective, team building activity, foster trust and collaboration, mentorship and training, improve communication and conflict resolution skill. Let's take the example scenario and solution. First, conflict over bug priority solution. Use a predefined severity priority matrix and involve the PO if needed. Second, automation versus manual testing debate. Solution, let's data decide, compare ROI, coverage and efficiency. Third, personality classes. Solution, assign complementary roles, that is one focuses on exploratory testing, another on automation. So in this way we can handle conflict within the testing team. Let's move for the another question. Question is, how do you ensure knowledge sharing within the team? First, regular knowledge sharing session. Conduct weekly or bi-weekly meetings where testers present learnings, challenges or new tools. Second, documentation and wikis. Maintain a central repository, Confluence, Google Drive, Notion for test cases, best practices and troubleshooting guides. Third, peer review. Encourage team members to review each other test cases, automation script and bug report for shared learning. Fourth, mentorship and buddy system. Pair junior tester with experienced ones for hands-on learning. Fifth, internal demos and workshops. Organize short training session on new tools, techniques, or testing methodologies. Sixth, cross-team collaboration. Engage with developers, product managers, and other teams to share insights and improve quality. Seventh, encourage writing and blogging. Motivate team members to write about their experience and discoveries in internal blogs or LinkedIn articles. 8. Test guides and communities. Create informal discussion group or a Slack channels for sharing quick tips, questions and new trends. So in this way we can encourage knowledge sharing within the team. Let's move for the another question. Next question is, how do you manage offshore and onshore testing team? First, clear communication. Use Slack, Teams, emails for regular updates and avoid misalignment. Second, define roles and responsibility. Ensure both teams know their scope, manual versus automation, time zone coverage, etc. Third, daily stand-ups and sync meeting, scheduling overlapping hours for discussion and status update. Fourth, centralized documentation. Maintain shared test plan, bug reports and best practices in tools like Confluence or Jira. Fifth, leverage time zone difference. Assign offshore team to overnight test execution and onshore teams for analysis and planning. Sixth, standardize testing processes. Ensure both teams follow the same testing methodologies, tools, and reporting formats. Seventh, encourage collaboration. Use peer review, knowledge sharing session, and cross team peer testing. Eighth, track and measure performance. Set clear KPIs for defect detection, test execution, and quality assurance. Ninth, cultural sensitivity and team bonding. Foster a positive work culture with occasional virtual team building activities. 10th, regular feedback and improvement. Conduct retrospectives to refine processes and addresses challenges. So in this way we can manage offshore and onshore testing teams. So let's move for the another question. Next question is, how do you handle resource allocation for testing projects? First, first check project scope, timelines and risk. Second, assign smartly manual tester, new features, UX. Second, automation, regression, API test. Third, specialist, performance and security. Third, prioritize test, must test critical feature, should test important but not urgent, could test if time permits. Fourth, use automation wisely, automate repetitive checks to save time, stay flexible, adjust daily based on progress and blocks. Sixth, review after, learn what work for next time. This is all about resource allocation. Next question is, how would you report and track defect using a defect management tool like Jira? First, reporting defects in Jira. Create a new issue, select the appropriate project and click create in Jira. Set issue type to bug. Categorize the defect correctly. Provide a clear summary. Example, login button unresponsive on Chrome. Add detailed description, includes steps to reproduce, expected versus actual results, environment details, browser, operating system, device, screenshot, logs, or video evidences, set priority and severity, define its impact, critical, high, medium, low, assign to the right person, typically a developer or a team lead, link to test case or requirements, help track whether the issue organized. This is the way we can report defect in Jira. Second, tracking defect in Jira. Monitor workflow stages. Bug typically moves through open, then in progress, then in review, then in resolve, and last one close. Use filters and dashboards. Create a report on open defects, severity distribution, or resolution trends. Add comments and update. Communicate clarifications or testing results. Retest and verify fixes. Once mark, resolve, validate it before closing. Generate report for stakeholders, share defect trends, resolution time, and blockers in meetings. So in this way we can track the defect in Jira. Let's move for the another question. Next question is, how would you handle a situation where the client rejects a feature during UAT? First, understand the reason for rejection, communicate with the client to get a detailed feedback, identify whether it's defect, missing requirements, or a change request. Second, review requirements and test cases, cross-check the original requirements versus client expectation, ensure the feature meets agreed upon specifications. Third, analyze the root cause. Was it a misinterpretation of requirement? Is it the functional bug, UI UX issue, or performance concern? Fourth, collaborate with the development team. Discuss the issue and possible fixes or enhancement. Determine whether it's a defect or enhancement required. Fifth, evaluate the impact, assess how changes affect timelines, cost, and dependencies, prioritize the fix based on urgency and business impact. Sixth, communicate clearly with the client, present findings, proper solutions, and provide realistic timelines. If it's a change request, align on scope and approval before proceeding. Seventh, implement fixes and retest, apply necessary changes, conduct regression testing, and validate the fix. Conduct a final UAT review, ensure the client revalidates and sign off on the corrected feature. So in this way we can handle a situation where the client rejects a feature during UAT. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. See you in the next one video.